Because it's totally different when you're talking about a 100-person organization. What does career development mean? And a 100,000-person organization.
Yeah.
The level of turnover, the number of jobs, the number of hiring, it's night and day. So I quickly realized that kind of everything that I was used to needed to be reviewed. Like I couldn't bring any sort of playbook. Also because at Sidewalk Labs, we have a really unique mix of employees and functional expertise. So we've got a really
Mhm.
strong technology organization with, your classic product managers, software engineers, hardware engineers, and then we have another side of the house that is real estate development, urbanists, architects, planners. So a cross-functional career path at Sidewalk Labs is incredibly hard. And each role in a small organization, you need your top, top, top. You don't have a year to figure out what you're doing or to like become good at your job. We need everybody just firing on all cylinders. So what I focus, so the scale hasn't been there yet. What I then honed in on is making sure we were following and creating consistent processes to make sure we were giving our senior leadership team exposure across the organization. So not just having really strong silos, but actually making sure that all of our leaders understood the development opportunities and the strengths of high potential and high performing employees across the organization. And why did I do that? There's two reasons. One, my personal philosophy is that career development is all about putting yourself again in different situations and getting out
Mhm.
of your comfort zone. Not all leaders have that mindset. And so it was important to me to make sure that our leadership team knows our employees. And so therefore, when we can like make a bet on someone and say, Will's been a product manager for 5 years, but we think he can do X, Y, and Z, that's more likely to happen if you've been reading his performance reviews, going, taking him out for coffee. He's been presenting to the leadership team. So one was around exposure. And then the second part of that is around you know equity and inclusion and making sure that we don't only categorize certain people in certain jobs a certain way and actually give
Mhm.
give all parts of our organization equal opportunity to not just be promoted but to like learn in new roles.